So I am doing the practice demo test. I've skipped the beginning section and I've gotten to the test. So if you see on the bottom of the screen right here, that's your timer. And you want to make sure you submit your answers before that goes to 0. They suggested 5 minutes, and you may be able to streamline and maybe do less than that, but the danger is if your internet's slow, you're having trouble uploading a photo, well, not uploading a photo, but getting a photo from your phone to your computer, those issues may cause you not to submit it on time, and that would be a big bummer. I suppose you could apply for a retake in June if that happens, and I'll give you more information on that. But when this timer gets to 5 minutes, it's going to turn red, and at that point it'll turn red, meaning you better hurry up. So I'm going to assume that I've finished. I'm going to show you what happens. So I have, if you look up here, I have Dropbox set up, Google Drive, and iCloud Drive. So I have it all set up in my computer. If you don't know how to do that, I posted a video on how to do that with Google Drive. You have to download the app. Same thing with Dropbox. You can download that and have it installed into your system. But I'm going to take a couple of pictures right into Google Drive. So on my phone, I'm going to open Google Drive. And I did show you this on the other video, so you can look. And then there's a plus button. I hit plus. You can't see this. And it says use camera. So I'm going to hit use camera. So on the screen, submit responses now. So I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to take 2 pictures of the same thing. And you can see it's going to appear. I made a folder AP Pics. Oh, I don't know if I set to save there. So let me double check that. Oh, I didn't select that. So I'm going to select the folder. So AP Pics, I made that for this. And I'm going to take 2 pictures. Like I said, the same thing twice. There's 1. And I'm going to do 1 more. See, I'm having issues already. There's 1. Use photo. And then I'm going to do another one. Camera. Take picture. Use photo. And you should start seeing them appear here. Hopefully I don't have to refresh that. Let me click off and see if I need to refresh that. It's not appearing. This is when you start to panic. Where are my pictures? There they are. Bam. So now they're there. So now, wow, that took me a minute and a half. Attach response. I want to attach a photo. And I come back down here, attach photo. And since I set up Google Drive, it's right here. My Drive, AP Pics. Select the first one. Choose. Attach a photo. Pick the second one. Choose. Make sure I didn't attach the same one twice. They have different numbers. And so I've done that. And now you have to hit submit. Don't hit submit before you attach all the photos because you can't resubmit extra pictures. I have 3 minutes left before I have to submit. But what's going to happen when the 3 minutes expires, you're going to start the next question. The next question will start whether you hit submit or not. So you need to hit the submit prior. So I'm going to go ahead and submit and show you what happens. I'm going to submit. I've attached. So it says I've completed the first place. I'm now in a waiting room. And I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds before the next question starts. If you know what you're doing, you can just stop this video. Or did you know you can make your YouTube go like double speed or 1.5 speed, so you can make it fly through this next 2 minutes in 1 minute. But I'll just show you what happens. It's going to be the next question. You have to click a button and the next question appears. And at that point, I'll stop the video. All of you need to practice this multiple times till you get your workflow down, till you have it like down. So when you actually take the test, You're going to be cool as a cucumber, if you've heard that term before. You'll just be relaxed and just submit, and everyone will be happy. I guess I'll just ramble on at this time since we have 1:45 to waste here. So the test, they keep saying the scoring is going to be very similar. There might be harder questions, and partly because it's open book, open notes, open everything except other people and stuff like that. And you aren't going to get your basic questions, like just the easy plug and chug questions. You're going to have to think and apply. Like your justification cheat sheet, you should have that printed out, ready to go, and any other notes you may have. So there's going to be no basic questions, so you have to apply and think. And the other aspect, I think they're going to have more questions. The implication is going to be more questions than you can finish. So they're able to test a wide variety of topics because there's only 2 questions and they're pretty short. So only 2 questions, 2 questions, and in each question I think there's going to be more than normal. And a lot of teachers are saying they don't think you're going to have time to finish. So if you don't have time to finish, don't panic. It's made that way so you have enough questions and you're able to really get a good distribution of scores to see what people really know. So if that's true, if there's a really hard question, skip it. Don't freak out that you're not answering all the questions. You don't have to answer all the questions to get a good score. So that's my encouragement to you. Don't freak out. If you guys have been practicing, you guys should be ready. You should be fine. Okay, we're down to 4 seconds. Here we go. Clicking down, and you'll see it happens. All right, question 1's finished. So now you hit continue, and your timer has already started before I hit continue. So right away, hit continue. I have 10 minutes. You're going to have more than that. I think you're going to have 20 minutes. So you answer your questions, you take your pictures, you attach them just like we did, and that's going to be your test coming up. And hopefully that was helpful.